There's politics brewing over Congress's account being frozen, and that continues to happen till today, a day after Party Chief Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress Parliamentary Party Chief Sonia Gandhi and MP Rahul Gandhi attacked the centre over alleged freezing of its financial accounts. The party has decided to up its ante over the entire matter. Today, in a setback for the Congress party, Delhi's High Court rejected Congress' plea challenging the reassessment by the IT department. Meanwhile, top government sources have also revealed to CNN News 18 that no accounts have been frozen so far. Congress can pay the taxes and use their accounts. In fact, we have some breaking inputs coming in on this news story. All right, we're now learning that the High Court order dismissing the Congress petition making startling disclosures. These disclosures, in fact, have also been brought to the fore. The court has said that the IT department has informed the High Court that it has found unaccounted transactions. This with regards to the Lok Sabha elections of 2019, MP Assembly elections of 2018 and MP Assembly elections of 2013 as well. For more details, let's quickly go across to Aman. Aman, share with us what are these unaccounted transactions that the Income Tax Department is talking about?
See, Akanksha, what has happened here is that the Congress party has filed certain income tax returns since 2014. The government, the IT department has reopened assessments of the Congress party from 2014 till 2021 of 7 years. Today, the High Court has dismissed the Congress plea. Congress wanted its assessments of 2014 to 17 to not be reopened. The High Court has rejected that plea today, given the IT department the go-ahead to serve, come up with its demand notice if it wants to against the Congress party. The court judgment in great detail is now putting out what is exactly the evidence that the IT department has against the Congress party of unaccounted cash transactions. Number one, the court document has noted that what the IT department has furnished IT appears to have collected substantial and concrete evidence under this matter. It is mainly pointing to evidence under 3 elections. The evidence related to use of unaccounted cash in the Lok Sabha election of 2019 and unaccounted cash used in the Madhya Pradesh Assembly elections of 2013 and 2018. What the IT department has really furnished before the High Court is that it raided certain individuals in the past, which has led to these links to the Congress party. In fact, in its evidence, it has even named Mr. Kamal Nath, former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, as well as Mr. Digvijay Singh, who is an MLA in the MP Assembly, named both in respect to some of these unaccounted cash transfers to the Congress party. In fact, here you can see on the screen, this is the order in question where it is related, where it has been mentioned, evidence related to use of unaccounted cash in Lok Sabha election of 2019. It goes on to say about Mr. Kamal Nath here at this point, where it says evidences of transfer of INR 20 crore from the official residence of Mr. Kamal Nath to the head office of AICC. This is one of the evidences that the IT department is citing to reopen the assessments of the Congress party in past years. It also says payment of INR 90 lakhs to Mr. Digvijay Singh. So these are the kind of evidences that the IT department is citing.
Aman, if the value, when we talk about Digvijay Singh, the amount that has been released is 90 lakh, what is the value that has been stated against Kamal Nath?
It is being said, Akanksha, that IT claims to have evidences of transfer of INR 20 crores from the official residence of Mr. Kamal Nath to the head office of AICC. That is the evidence that the IT department has cited, which the court order, the High Court order today has duly listed out the entire evidence that the IT department has against the Congress party for reopening its assessments of the last 7 years. It also, court order has in fact mentioned, if we go further down, it has mentioned what are the kind of other evidences it has. In fact, those are also very damaging what the IT department is saying. Like he said, there are detailed references by the IT department to unaccounted transactions with respect to Lok Sabha elections of 2019, MP elections of 2018 and MP election of 2013. It also says that it captures details of disbursements made to candidates vying in the elections. It also details reference of payments allegedly made to MPs, MLAs and candidates. Also, the note seems to suggest payments and contributions made by government departments and corporations, liquor manufacturers, industry entities and individuals through the petitioner, which is the Congress party. So in a way, the IT department furnishing a host of evidence to the court, and the court has cited this evidence, Akanksha, to basically say that it can't give any relief to to the Congress party for now.
And incriminating evidence indeed. When you say when we talk about that evidence, and in fact earlier during the day when we saw the court proceedings, of course senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi was also representing the Congress party. He said that this reassessment being done by the IT is barred by limitations, and that it's gone back to a maximum of 6 assessment years. Why was that being quoted as defense?
Well, that defense has not been accepted by the court, Akanksha. The court is of the opinion that concrete, in fact, the court has said that the IT department seems to have collated substantial and concrete evidence. It has also pointed out in its judgment in the last para, if I can take you there, the last para in fact says that why has the Congress party come just a few days before the IT department is to complete that reassessment. The IT department has a deadline of March 31st this year, in the next few days, to complete its reassessment of the 7 years of the Congress party from 14 to 21. So the court has questioned that why has the Congress party come right at the fag end to question this. It has dismissed the petition of the Congress regarding 3 assessment years, 4 assessment years, other 4 assessment years. The petition is still to be heard by the High Court, but this is a big fillip to the IT's case, because now the IT will be able to complete this reassessment and maybe serve a demand notice to the Congress. And earlier, Akanksha, we've seen in 2018-19 assessment year case, the Congress had to pay 135 crores to the IT department. So we can imagine what the amount could be for an assessment of over 7 years.
Absolutely, that is exactly what I was coming to, that when the demand for the assessment year from 2018 to 2019 has been over 100 crores, the amount that we are looking at is of course going to be a mammoth amount if you are talking about an assessment for so many years.
Well, definitely, and this is what I think the government sources have been telling us is what is really concerning the Congress party. The yesterday's press conference by its top leadership came on the eve of this High Court order today. So it is the Congress party seems to be really worried about what happens if the IT department completes its reassessment of 7 years of the Congress accounts, and if the income of the Congress party of those 7 years all becomes taxable, because these violations would mean that the Congress will not get any income tax, zero income tax benefit. That exemption which is given to political parties will no longer be there for the Congress for those 7 years as well. So it could be a mammoth amount. We don't know what that amount will be. Only the IT department, when it serves that demand notice, it will be known. But it seems that could be a big sizable amount, and that is what it seems to have really be concerning the Congress party.
Absolutely, and we will be awaiting the Congress reactions, in fact, especially considering names of important leaders like Kamal Nath and Digvijay Singh of the Congress party have also now surfaced. What will this mean politically also for the party? That too, when the Lok Sabha elections are just days away, we'll have to await those reactions. But many thanks to you, Aman, for bringing in all those inputs for us.